internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video, but I think this is a very delayed box. If you're watching this and you're familiar with Simply Gilded, then you would have seen this come out months ago, but you guys know that the mail is slowly trickling into Australia, so boxes are delayed, and that's okay. I still wanted to unbox them anyways, because I haven't seen them, so I wanted to see what was inside. Yeah, and the box was a little dented on the way here, but that is okay. So long as the items inside are fine, then everything should be okay. So this is the August box. So it is quite a bit delayed now, almost, it's like over 2 months now, yeah, which is crazy because you guys know that I just recently unboxed, I think it was September or October, I can't remember now, but it's just weird how some months are coming in faster than others. I don't know how, I'm not sure how that works, but it is what it is. I'm really excited about this one. I mean, when I saw this and it was all like this nice pastel soft pink, I thought this is going to be a good one. I'm really excited for it. So this is all the washi tape. Oh, look at it. It is so cute. It's a beautiful keychain of a bear holding a heart. I'm a much bigger fan of these like solid keychains because I find them more durable. I find the ones with the bows not terribly long lasting. Okay, this seems a little bit, yeah. I don't know, this one doesn't move that well, but this bear is so cute with a little bow as well. It's adorable. So let's see, we've got the pen that comes with every box. It's just a black gel pen. I don't test it out because it's basically the same, but I love this one because it's got this like very tartan checkered design on it, which is pretty unique. Most of them are not like this. They're either solid or gradient. This looks like a card holder, which I love little card holders. I'm definitely favoring these over traditional wallets, especially the last year or two. I just don't have the need to carry as many things. A lot of loyalty cards are digital, so there's not much need except, well, you don't even really need to carry your credit card because you can have that on your phone too. So I love this. Yeah, this is the one that I currently use. Just want to make sure everything's covered. It's Saint Laurent, but yeah, you can see this is basically my actual wallet now. I still have all my old wallets, but I don't use any of them. I use that one. So I kind of love that this is almost like a miniature version of it. You've got 1, 2, 3 slots. That is so cool. And then this little part for a keychain. So then this, I suspect this is like a sticker book. Yeah, I love this checkered sticker book. Yeah, sticker book, which I would use more for photos because you guys know how I like to use my sticker books. Okay, and then we have some post-it notes. The design for this one I really like because sometimes, quite often I feel a lot of the really cute stationery post-it notes, they're adorable, but they're not as functional. Like the writing area is very small, whereas this, it's still really pretty, but you can write in the entire thing and your writing will be visible. So I thought that's cool. And then we have the cardstock, we have the notebook. Let me open up the stickers quickly. Oh, fall in love. Okay, so it is it makes sense. It's kind of fall inspired given that most trends tend to follow the northern hemisphere. It's just that today's actually a particularly hot day in Melbourne because we are in spring and we're about to get into summer, which I'm really excited for. So it's always the opposite. But this is the stickers. It's a really nice color theme. I love this bear. Unbearably lovable. And got some bows. I feel like these bows are they're the sort of stickers that you wouldn't normally use. At least I don't normally use them for planning. But if you're like packaging up some gifts or you're trying to decorate like some item that's not really planner related, these are like perfect for it. And then it's always like, I can't find the perfect sticker to do those sort of things. So I keep them all together so that I can use them for gift wrapping. Some dates, and then we have, ooh, more dates. All right, so we've got like 2 sets of dates. But this is all totally foiled and this is partially foiled. So you can, I guess you're supposed to ideally use it. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense for 2 weeks because you've got all the days of the weeks twice. So 2 weeks worth of planning. And then let's open this up. I I love that every month you're not quite sure what the notebook's going to have in it in terms of like, will it be dark? It's pretty much dark grid for the most of the time now, which is good because that's the one I use. But I've been surprised that sometimes the dark grid, this is not opening up as well as I thought it would be. I've been surprised that sometimes the dark grid is not just a gray dark grid, sometimes it's colored. And oh, this is not dark grid, okay, just like, this is lined, like pink lined paper. That is so cute. And it's really different. Okay, so that's everything. Let's get onto the washi tape. Okay, I'm back. I am so in love with the washi tape this month. It's so cute. I think this is probably my favorite hands down because I love the cityscape style. Though it's very British-like. It like reminds me of like England. Really love that. Then this particular one is more naturey. There's like leaves and flowers and then golden bowls in it, but bows, and there's golden like ribbons on it. But this is a textured one. So I'm now discovered I'm not a big fan of the textured washi tape. I've tried using them in some of my journals and I find that it thickens it up quite a bit. It also peels off a little easier, so I'm, yeah, just really not a fan of them. And then you've got the quintessential bows, and then you've got this checkered sort of grid layout, and then you've got these two. These are more like titles this week, next. Oh, okay, no, sorry, that's like the end of the washi tape. That's why it doesn't make sense to pay. And then I'm not really sure how you define these, like hearts with a line through it, but these have perforated edges, so they're like 3.8 centimeters long, which make great labels. And yeah, that is everything in the August Simply Gilded. I really love this box. I love the colors. It does have a very autumn tartan feel to it, even though we're in spring, but I think I'm so used to unboxing winter and seeing winter stuff online, even though it's really hot in Australia. It's just how the media is when you live in the southern hemisphere. But yeah, I really want to do a spread based on this particular one. This looks so good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.